Etia ye tiefo ene ahwefo nyinaa ewo ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo din mu na nansa kwesu etia ye nsomafo ene asore mu asofo ne mpanifo ne asore tuo nyinaa ne wiase agidifo asambre yi ene won po a wotie ye wiase baabia ne ye kase Awurade Nyankopɔn ehira wo bebre empa ebone se yadisua mu ne enyamesam kyemu no Awurade nam so ne ye bekasa na oyi enhu adi so akire ye na wie ye woye nia set so oye nche wa ipi odi nsem ku so beboa ama media nyina ahye media no tambe yebesi ehye nyame no nyam bebre wo ne dumu bru ho ma aso yenso yetiase ewo adechi Yediwa yeyi Ibrawo Majin kwapa Yediwa yeyi Ibrawo Majin kwapa Why shepherd from school? Wama atipa ati oh me di maye eri brawo maji baba aji One day from school, Mama, Adipa, oh, me di my ye, every bravo, Adi Papa, Adi, yes, then I'm then like a training religious cemetery of Maswa na jeche na yehuni se wiase ya yewe no nyoma esi nyina ye de esi pen na esesi bio na esi a ebia kwaye fa susu no na esesa na ye Kristofo a ye de enho atu Nyankopɔn so no yesum no Teba ne saa ye fa nyame asɛm a ene ne ekɔ ana nyame asɛm a ye de betoto ho na atumi aboa yen na mehwehwɛ mu no nyame asɛm a ɛtɔ makoma so ɛwɔ saa situation a yewu mu wiase nyinaa mu no ɛwɔ ahene nwoma a ɛtɔ so nsia yimu aduanan no eko ehyasie be na otwemienu ni na yedi saa asemi ho nkomo ye ntumi anwie tietu ni di sensan yedi kan ye pese na me aduma ye saa etoa so ehebe bia nyame di yen be kwa kodu ya to ya asemi di se Awurade amwa wo a if the Lord does not help you, and the baby wutie na wohwe ye bia no eye part 2 ana ye to aso mienu se Awurade ammoa wo a of course if the Lord does not help you ye fa ye twiro ne kenkan ahene nwoma itoso mienu tinsia chichemu aduonu nan kosi aduasa I can cancel from New King James Version of the Bible. And it happened that Ben-Hadad, king of Syria, gathered all his army and went up and besieged Samaria. And there was a great famine in Samaria. Indeed, they besieged it until a donkey's head was sold for 80 shekels of silver, and 1/4 of a cup of dough droppings for 5 shekels of silver. Then as the king of Israel was passing by on the wall, a woman cried out to him, saying, help my lord, O king. And he said, if the Lord does not help you, where can I find help for you? From the threshing floor or from the wine press? Then the king said to her, what is troubling you? And she answered, this woman said to me, give your son that we may eat him today, and we will eat my son tomorrow. So we boiled my son and ate him. And I said to her on the next day, give your son that we may eat him. But she has hidden her son. Now it happened when the king heard the words of the woman that he tore his clothes as he passed by on the wall. The people looked, and there underneath he had sackcloth on his body. She say, na enwachi no Syria hene Ben-Hadad boa ne dom nyina no hyiae na ofoba betua Samaria na ekom kese ba Samaria na hwe oka won hyemu ade kosi se woton afurumuti ji ditabna ade wotwe na nguburo bini kap ebupen na mu ba ko ji ditabna anum na Israel hin etwam ofasuo no so no oba bi bon se owura ohene boame na o se Awurade amoawo a mefi hin na maboawo emfi ayiprobia ana nsachi amunamu na ohene no ka kire ne se ede na eyewo na o se oba yi ka kire me se fa wo ba mami na yeni ne nam nne na yedi me ba nam ochena na yenua me ba no wi ade achi no mesenu se fa wo ba no brown na yenwe na ode ne ba no ahunta na ohene no tie oba na asem no osunso ne nta biem na otwam wo ofasuo no so no nkrofo no hwee na ofura eyituma wo ase yaketa ne honam ani adesuamu a afie na otwemienu atwam na ye kenkan no ehun se adesua bi bebre wo mu yesua hunu se you can just because it came to pass yesua hu se de eba wiase bia no eba betwam se trosam se osoro ni asase betwam no nyankopon asem ne ntwam da yedam se tutu ye ho fo hihye ye ho nkwan se situation ye wo mu se ye tie bia no Awurade bebam ama no so abetwam yetosu bio yesua hu se sa ohene na otuba Samaria fo no ayefen ohene Ben-Hadad no yehu ni din asekire esua se de ositie ene na de ye yehu ni din Ben-Hadad no asekire sua se bosum bia na agidin wo mpen so na sa bosum no ena idin ye de ato no na ogitu hutum se oyobosom ne ba na egi hu fiasu hu se sa bosom no sie bosom bi na owodi die na omogidi se okasa apra na bubom enum yesuasu hu se yenya mesu bubom se de hioboka ewoti adua na nchiche munku no obisa se wo wonsa so nyankopon de na obetumi de ne etese ne de na abubom. Are you as strong as God? Can you tender with a voice like his? Jehu say nyankopon so okasa na obubomu a ni bubom no echen bosom Hadad de afei yesa sua na otwetwam no hu ase ohini Ben-Hadad ya otu nipa so sano ama nipa ho akire won no esua se de osika na srafo bomu how he was able to mobilize his army. The unity that existed between him and his soldiers. And my Yesua who say, great to say, Mono said, ni boy for cry, the Paboni Pumika won't boom, and Manipa Hotrenoa. It to be Jim Bonnie, Carbon Coya Bonia. Na Yesua say, Yan so, ye Christopher yebesua sɛ de yebesi aka yɛn ho abom na yɛtumi ayɛ Onyankopɔn adwuma na yesua bi ohun so sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛma ɔdɔ ne nkabom ɛba tɛde Onyankopɔn nam ɔsomafo Paul so 2 Korintofoɔ fo no sɛ onyi wo ayɛ efisɛ wɔhyia mu a wɔte sɛ mpaepaamu aba wɔn ntam afei otu wɔn fo sɛ wɔnhwɛ wɔn a wɔde mpaepaamu ba asafo no mu so yie ɛnam so suasua sɛ abrabɔ bi a yɛbɔ ne beebi a yɛyɛ adwuma no Professor, you should mark those court and then they bring division among people. Okay, in Romans chapter 16, verse 17, okay, it says, and now I make one more appeal, my brothers and sisters. Watch out. So because I watch out, now you say that be bad. For people who cause divisions and upset people's faith by teaching things contrary to what you have been taught, stay away from them. From the New Living Translation. Such people are not serving Christ our Lord. They are serving their own personal interest. By smooth talk and glowing words, they deceive innocent people. Twini say, na so nyanu mitibu fo say mon carry one a wodi mu ba na wodi hintu duade say nkyerɛkyerɛ amosua no mon twemo ho mfiri wɔn ho. Awana wote sa no nsom ye na Awurade Kristo na mo som won ankasa yefunu wodi tekyeremade ne adokodokosem daada wona wonnim bone no akoma enti oho na yede adesua ne besi ya yesre Awurade se obema yen adomo a yebeka yen ho abom na yeye baako na de Awurade bi ahye yen nsa bia wa asase susie wa adwuma mu yewo ye fiefie mu no yetumi aye efise ohini ben hadad numpo etumi boaboa ne dom ano a ode koma obi ho akyere no minim wona woni wontu agina mbra wo ye na wotie eche Awurade Nyankopɔn asemi empa ebo ne se Awurade bedom yen na yetumi aka yen ho abom aye Nyankopɔn adwuma ene yesa etoa so na ya hwebe bia Awurade ya dem ayi kwa akodu Bible say oboboabo mo ho ano no oni na sojafoɔ no they came up and besieged Samaria, the capital of Israel. Twini say na ofro by betua Samaria. Te ka se obi abisigi bibia anase obi atu ahye bibi so a o Hebrew anase kasa bi ma se chense o ka obi ahyem anase o ma obi you restrict that person o ma ne ne ho bibi be kanisha ne fa ahudie so ekata afei se chebion say you shut that person up the kind of us pie no ni nyina mutoto ekyere bio unfriendliness adia emfa odosam ni nkabom ni yakoye emba ekyere aggression say nipa no eto ahya wo afei ekyere an adversary obi afei wabeye wo tamfo a one wo DSA asie bio so kyere say yakase obi aka obi ahyema it was a military strategy used to fight against enemies gradually. Kwaya sojafo na omfa ne se ometwa ho hia won bote nyina say they will overpower you, they will conquer you, they will harass you, they will crush you and they will overthrow you. The bote ya ometwa hia no nyina say he will do it obawa betwa so obebre wase but onye ne ntem obeye ne kakra. It was a military strategy common in warfare used to defeat enemies gradually. Jamnu mi ni ehwe wiase de ekoso a ehunu se bibia ba wiase na ade no aka nipa ahyem yen movement yen outgoing and incoming nyina asesa a restrict yen na we nie yen se yen fo yen ni hu no nti wo pia woni bebi okwakohia no nti te bibi ka bibi hyemu a ne botan nyina ne sɛ obedifiti ade no ade koro na waka na hyem no obedifiti ade no ne botan nyina sɛ obeobatro ade no ne botan nyina sɛ obeharase obetete ade no obema ade na hyɛ wo so finally and you give up at me mpaebo ne me koto sira me sira de nyankopɔn ne sɛ dia abawiase Ewade bema yɛn ho ɔdɔ Yesu Kristo ka Jerusalem wasɛm mbere a ohu Jerusalem ɛne mbere ebedu a ɔbɛka ho ahyem na ɔbɔkeka asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a mepɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ kakra ɔsɛ Luke chapter 40 1941 to 44 from the NIV I read, and as he approached Jerusalem and saw the city, he wept over it and said, if you, even you, had only known on this day what will bring you peace, but now it is hidden from your eyes. The days will come upon you when your enemies will build an embankment against you and encircle and hem you in on every side. They will dash you to the ground. The who say Adibia Beka Shemua. The botai say it's against you. The botai say it will encircle you. The botai say on every side. This year we are no one more. We don't mean to make Daniel Kwa. The Beka say Ahadie, we are safe. Or say verse 44 says, it will dash you to the ground, you and the children within you. Within your walls, they will not leave one stone on another because you did not recognize the time of God's coming to you. Listen, Obani and Oshekunu Sui was so said, what Munsumpo and Nessa Anka wouldn't near a far wouldn't be a far as Yehua Anka a year. Now, so what you huntao. Now, Nebi Baba was so what Tafu Baba won't peer, no will try home conton crong. Na wakawashim bebiara na wagriw enti ade bia obibi oni petu na mo se o kawashim no me bota nse obegriw but makoma so bisade ne se ade abawiase bota se ebegri wo ebegri nyame asore ebegri wiase a ye wo owura bi wo hono a edini Jesus Christ a Ure Yesu nyame ase ebehu se de to won no ebia na ewo mu na ebehu so mo de no kra de ekwa akirichen ye de na kwan be na nyame fa so eba mu ye de atotototo ya bra ba hom na hwe oje nyame de gi ho na se no se oro so onje yendi o se no biri wo ene wo mma enti se ye ka wo hyemu a obi entimi mfirim emampo it affect them na wo se wo mma owo mu no agufom na orinya obo so ndi yehu Yesu Kristo a oka asasam ne fa Jerusalem ho awie minim de atwa ho ahia se de yedi kan eka ye no na de atwa wiase ho ahia ene yare a aba a nipa nyina ehu ano no ye de efe no total or partial lockdown enso eyade a aba na asesa bibia a change bibia wo wiase bibia asesa ya brabo asesa ya nkomodi asesa ya dwina ya dwini mpo asesa plane to be schools are closed to football you to be stadium ko businesses are shut down sorry ya tutum bibia atutumu a entumi enkoso se de asese koso no sana ben hada so ne dom ebe hye Samaria won so brabo ene won edifiri no ade nyina exercise na me hwe news bi a na Euro News kasa na oka effect aba e was ayade mu o see businesses are feeling this effect. World Bank say about 9 million people will be forced into poverty. Inina ye ade a abeka ya hyem nti ema hia nka ye ni naso nka ho kira ye hwe kwan no aba ye nso na ebi ba obi so ebi nim so Bible mu da ye de no mu firi mu se nyame na oje won no se ne ye gidi bi so ote ase a eni me hye obo se de oyama won no ye nso pray so obeye ye tatu nyum bi se ni abu ye ni titi brenum Oh, ene umaya yejina wenim. Oh, nyame sunsum. Shie guyansu. Shie ene. Nyame senia. Oya no titi mrenu. Jesus ye ene. Umaya yejina wenim. Oh, nyame sunsum. Shie guyansu. Senia, we are not eating. Jesus, yeah, Umayana, when you know about ye, Onyame, Usman, yeah, we are spoken, and Yare, travel, or sorrow, I want it. Oh, yeah, and Yare travel or sorrow that was thrown. Sadia, we are not eating be and that's so. Oh, my anymore. Christ, yeah, we got me. Smash, yeah. If we are so, and then, and what you see, and you want to protect this for the person. Send a Yamaji one. You were here to a dear buyer. And then I'm a better menu news here. And I'm over 2 years. None Yamidi found with your prayer one. Now when Yamadi Busuno. Said ye on him had that Bekai Samaria shame. Raya this year, whom I watch it about so. That's when you be at your dear by. Sign Yameno, and Yaka said, Senia, we are not eating. Yajanamani, and so, oh, my age now anymore. Christ, ye, when you so someone. Yeah, we are so, and then say a super moi, ye, say a super moi, ye, ya only part to me, ya both one to me, oh, say a super moi. I want to open. I want attitude. Don't go and kill yourself. Never. But you man I say, oh, are you be that? And that's what they get. Answer son. Said your children. Bible says, Sunday, China, the dark. And to be baby, here at your who here back, the bewu, a kaya shim, baby, a free year. There is no one else here. The number beer, what the idea in us in Kunim. And the Corona, Zaya Corona, Naban, and yes, I'm so as I say, I'm seeing Corona as well. I think as a match as a crown. And to know our banos on him, chow our ba. And I'm to know, so what's why in chow no about the no other can you buy shemua? You will be so also swine in chow. I was drawn once some point sana. Ukra Udiba. And if you go on where this eti dunkunom jemu dumba ko ever. The one they say, Johnson, and now I'm reading from New NKJV, New King James Version of the Bible, English. Now I saw heaven open. I saw heaven open. And behold, a white horse. And he who sat on him was called Faithful and True. And in righteousness he judges and makes war. Kado sate kabandos. Vele dikimbara sari kabos. His eyes were like a flame of fire, and on his head were many crowns. He had a name written that no one knew except himself. He was clothed with a robe dipped in blood. Dipped in blood. And his name is called the Word of God. Chinese, Nami who said Osura Bue. Emra Uti Yani Utia television and Yahunu etu kuma. Uti and Yahunu Utin etu kuma. Uni Udipending Koma, Yahutin etu kuma. Yahudi Huno Bravo Crano Home Massy. But I never pray Uti and the best I will show when you know who Osura Bue. Don't say who said Osura Bue. And you also know to be Bue. The Buema wana, what did you know ready? Yes, you to now, Obia for who will be Obia who Yari and never said. A beer who now which I would know. A beer who were to my side, Uber who or Hinny. Now, Henno. Or say that share, or Procofi Derby, and ya or Tiswono, or Feno, or Sia, yeah. And then on a coffee. Number what time? And take what my do here. The baby is you. I want you to bend. Or see, your who know your Sia, yeah, ni on a coffee, or what time. Now, Otusa, and then there. Otusa. Because he makes war. Otusa. And the Okubia would know. You will never be a Otusa. Tietatunyom said, oh, Yetusa. Ewayata Fonoso. Oh, Jesus. Brian Strava. Ayimo. Odumre Jesus, Brian, Strava, Ayimo. But I don't know. Umuna, ye, Kale, Mahandu Kale, Kabulama. And you want to put blood here in our way. Everybody, you want to figure out what we are seeing. Yetusa, Osahile, Yetusa, oh Yetusa, Ewayata, Fonoso, Jesus, Pau, Ale, Brian, Eslava. As na Bible, woman, oh, Mira, get your man, I show you. Oh, woman, I'll come myself. Get up and come over with the gas over. And the answer of my say, because I was with them. I wanted to sing this song. The message is not yet ended. But we quarter of it. But I want to assure you. There is a way to see heaven. My prayer is that may the Holy Ghost open your eyes. Don't see the negative things. Don't see what they are saying on television. Yes, it's good for them to tell it because that is their way. That's how they are being paid. But I want you to see heaven open this afternoon. I don't know what you are going through. But if you don't know to say, Jesus na yasum no. The one was sorry no. Your body dino. Only me or Tosa or to sa. So to sa what him. Na osata didi a wadi abɔ mogam na de din no Nyankopɔn asɛm na dɔm a wɔso no ti apɔnkɔ fitafita so di n'akyi hyehyɛ nwirapa fitaa a ɛho teɛ na afena na bi firi n'anum a ɔde bobɔ amanaman mepɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ mɔ but we describe sir Jesus like na ɔde dadeɛ poma bɛyɛn wɔn na ɔno na otietie Onyankopɔn ade nyinaa sotumfoɔ no abufuo a ɛyɛ den no nsɛkyi amoa so na wɔdi bi a wɔatwerɛ na stadeɛ de n'ase mu sɛ ahene mo hene ne awura mo awurade verse 12 no kɔ na ɛmde ɔse na ne ti sɛ ogyaframa na ni ti sɛ ogyaframa na ahemmɔtire pii bobɔ ne ti ahemmɔtire ɔdi hene enti deɛ bɛwi ase no I want to assure you as you hear the sound of my voice. Who are share? I do on the television so now share. Said almost the camp one once a man. It's scary. Parents no once a man. Very, very scary. But if you make a choice, oh, want him to be brave. You find a call. But they are money for what? And you been had a big Israel for the diakon, a Samaria for sorry. Now, maybe I'm making guys it was Ben Hadad's father attempt to destroy Samaria and his rival King Jehoram, son of Ahab. I feel Mummy and share, come over cow and share mono, over cow and share impactor at the by the effect of the siege. Obecha when who share no aye Samaria no obomodia say supply dia ma kronim obi no supplies say nyoma e de nyoma ba entimi mbabio bibia sisi opese wo mani bibi komo obi a si ekuro mu another be odofo bi wo ma afoforo so no mana de mana ko play bi antu enti obeka won hye mu no aduane mfi abonten bi ama obi so ntumi fa mfi abonten fa nko ina Samaria fo hyem omo hyem ne buta ni say he wanted to finally compel them to surrender. Or try a community. Or what Bible says. And there was a great famine in Samaria. Now come here about Samaria. If you say anybody to be in court, to be being quite to be in court. And the Adriania one, no, I shall see Eddie. Adriania one, no, I shall see Eddie. After Nessa. In Samaria for Kashim now, which no, the kind of bread one said, a come about Cross Samaria. A comma, you know, maybe bread or trossemu. A come a dimmy pack. If you say, Ben had a put and say, about your son, my family, no, they will surrender. Awie anyumre anopai anabri bia wutie o baby ano. Don't give up. Don't surrender to the devil. No. Come Emma Abraham Echo Muslim for your war. But Bible no, okay, I tell you the words, you want to cast one more tron of what. But and I'm saying Hong Kong crown and my throwing tea. Where the beer home was over. Okay, Genesis chapter 12, verse 10 was now there was a famine in the land, and Abraham went down to Egypt to live there for a while because the famine was severe. He went down to Egypt. The Bible makes he went to Egypt, but why the down? He is not come back as soon as Abraham's son got now Misrim or your hope. If you say now come to me assassin so. Now all you do is assassin so or catch any year Sarah said, Shamin himself who about who you fair. Now say Misrim for who are. Yes, you know we do our same what this year. Or can say, the year no wakumi. One my war at Nasi, and you can say Miniano. Na wunti wa ye miye na matinas e komunti Abraham sro ne nkwa ti Bible so sane efri baby owo e kom Misrim asase so e kom ba ya ma Bible say Genesis chapter 41 so ka say e komunti yesifo nyina kom Misrim ko to awie ne mra na Joseph governor wo hono Genesis chapter 41 verse 57 so come and all the world came to Egypt to buy grain from Joseph because the famine was severe everywhere. Because who back could be so root so chapter 1 verse 1. And it's okay in the days when the Judges ruled, there was a famine in the land. So a man from Bethlehem, which means house of bread, in Judah, which also means praise, together with his wife and 2 sons, went to live for a while in the country of Moab. The Moab will be a freer. And to community, Moab as ancestor. Nothing could more awfully illustrate the helplessness of human beings, when deprived of the use of the ordinary productions of nature. Adibia mani pati ye na nipa hotono se ye de kam nipa e manipa eye basta enye nkom nko ne ba ho e dia hu hia ba enya sika samsun so economic impact e manipa se sign e dia hu ba na de akomatuo so e ba che de nyame no mienu ye wo mu. Now no meti wo baby say krobi so abrochire ya baby nipa koso ekowiwi anoma e bi say comedy wo na situation ye wo mu abusuafo e bi aba wo trosam na nyame gye wo breku say otrini na mane edoso bejo nini otrenini amane edoso eso bejo nini obetiwo ama wa yeye Jesus obetiwo ama wa dijao oh no papo ama de dos that's obetiwo ninye papo bia metie woni so have ni yes you need say for papa yefuna owo abofari triwa ya koye nwanya ya beto ma no ni ma bi kuma so bana wa kuma no so na nkro no aso no onye dan so yare we nti ya wo akola na ya mfa nka ne ma me no ya separate no look really sad pain, emotional pain mothers may go through la plan ko she baby Chamba mini will be up, then will be there, and the copulation will be a home better. Then for one back. Then so I bet you ama waye onyame bedi wo ama wadidao no kwafu namane edosu obedi wo no kwafu namane edosu Yesu Yesu bedi wo come near by the moment you get sad about. Bible say there was a great famine in Samaria, and indeed they besieged it until a donkey's head was sold for 80 shekels of silver, and 1/4 of a cup of dough droppings for 5 shekels of silver. But I want to take the word until. I come for Abba. Abba Samaria Hashem. Tell me the strategy we use, you know. I'm a Nipana Shemua. I'm a Bamu. And I want to go Yashabuka Kramun Piumat, Mama Yanko. Omu Shemua, Kampofoni Shemua. Omunsamu Nabamu. The enemy will never give up. That's why I'm encouraging you as you hear the sound of my voice. Brother, sister, don't give up. In print, I always say, "Your margin, say, or he Ben Hadad, I am so determined and will trust on the real one until young smartphone, young papa, Dono, smartphone, Pokunina, Professor Kansembi, na eyame de be to me trim, or say, bibi wo when someone get me so many a year. Enka ade yensu on say na ba mumu. Yet me say bibi won ho na year. If it's okay in Luke chapter 4 verse 13, or say when the devil had finished tempting Jesus, he left him until the next opportunity came. He said, "Na Yesu boas and said, nso awurade Onyankopɔn hwɛ na ɔmo nsɛ wie nsɔhwɛ no nyinaa no ogya no hɔ kɔe kakra ɔmo ba hwɛ sɛ nyame si ɔnkokroma Luke si hyehyɛ nsɛm no when the devil had finished so what finish it kɔ obi a finish bibi ogya hɔ kɔ but Bible sɛ bewie sɛ he left until the next opportunity came ɔsɛ ogya no hɔ wie nsɔhwɛ no deɛ but ɔsa kɔe kakra enti deɛ ehu owiase so we twamua bi before be saba enti na wie ye ka kira wo se owura bi wo ho a otibidi ni pasie hwini si na wo ka wo hyemu a di kosi se hwini si ekoya kosi se koya kosi se oton afrumuti koya ewie so obama bu enimle so obama bu anope so obama bu a nyame ma koya honhom koya semin krofo ye mi tanara nerinsan me wona wapuria sinopeko mere pensoko Jesus mere so and you never have to do home many one now Wapuria Sinibeko oh many so Jesus Mary and in Yamia University and yes Mama you got the third part Commission Gungru Jai na minu said Yanyankopon na yesum no so yen bi wo Samaria obeye bi wo wiase Intimiri Pensoko, Jesus Mary Pensoko, Semi Provo Yemi General, Nerissa, anyone now, Wapuria, Seneto, oh, Mary Pensoko, Jesus Mary Pensoko. Stand up for Jesus. He's true. Death on the cross.
Holy
His royal blood.
His blood. No so follow.
I say stand up for Jesus. He's true. Just for the cross. Holy God. His royal now.
It must
not stop
follow.
from
victory or
today. Is our mission. Before is my and Christ stop. La Boshanda Bakiria Darabaswanda Marwanda Zile Kabonda Rabasile Mama Robo Kora Isa de Ramando Robo
Inde di la manaburu di Romodo de la manaburu di Indaya manaburu di Rodo de la manaburu di Indaya manaburu di la Romodo de la manaburu Andaya manaburu di Indara ya Robodo de la Macan Zumudo de Yela Mama Ramodo de la Mama Romodo de Yelandara Yamana Budo de Indara Yamana Budo de
Siro Minia Siro Nasena Warikwa Siro Minia Siro Sewako Madi Oh Enraye Womui Emo Yesu Emo Wajifobia Ọdún Messie Ọbẹ̀jẹ̀ Òkà Àbẹ̀jìnà Ọ̀nà Wẹ̀sìrì Àsìrì Ẹ̀mìràyè Wòmí Èmú Yéṣu Ẹ̀wọ̀ Jìfóbíà Ọbẹ̀jẹ̀ Bẹ̀tìyẹ No beje opa abrenyina na wesreu asreu esesreu ninasreu nasena do warikwa sreu ninasreu sewako madi na emuma emo Yesu ojifobia odubese na bejo kwa abredina adada obeso Ebi awo bi sese bẹrẹ na sa. Bẹsẹ ọbẹ sọ Yesu fẹ. Come and test me. Come and try me. Wọ́n dùn wọ́n tuntun náà bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dùn wúrà ṣiṣẹ́ tí anwummerɛ yɛkenka Yesu nyame sɛ yi wosɛ bi wɔkɔdu baabi a adafo paa na wone na wode sɛ wobɛgyima aboa wonnim ne tiri na mo yɛwɔ owura bi a ɛdi ne Jesus a yɛasɔ na hwɛ
yeah, what else?
Great hour
is our God, not like you is within, Almighty, Sovereign One. Our God is great, far above.
I say, great one
is our God, not like him is within, Almighty, Sovereign One. Our God is great,
our God, our God. Our God
is great. He is great, greater than all. Our God is great. He is great. Our God is great. He is great.
And we didn't say Jesus here. Who says on no granny wine? Only you Yankupon bar, where we are say we are saying. Now, also I am bombing in or no, so we did here. Bonia, why you Yamidi show? But you Yamaba, where you're treating me. That's it. Oompa. Parce que mini ou sorry à l'enfant. Tu vois qui me dit non? Oh, vous n'avez pas oompa. Ah, sorry. Tu fais ça au face à Jesus. Face à Jesus. He's alive. What you say? Onimo. Your Jesus Maria for free. Sans obey mono. Tu fais ça on est nante. Eti baby ara me kono. Oka. Yesu. Baby ara ya be kono. Oka yahu. Oh, Jesus. What Marco baby our now? What Marco baby mama? What Marco baby papa? Yeah, yes, some race yari ko bi yari ko. Nage yari ko now the new cracking house. Hospital. What did you do? I say sign. Don't for that hospital. You to be srawo. Oh, baby ara ya be kono. Oka yahu. Mini Yesu. Obelinche mata o sa na ye oh yeah madam pa Jesus ye adena oh yeah me chef Nileba Obia Obene Chemada Bosa Naye
so yes. You say we on your papa. A bonny tea and na ube we. Me bim one tea no na papa nyaneo. Another day, me foul. Semi wura. And me cry. Ajenkwa. Na sumo. Menkwanda akay. Chikarade boa. Me no mpa ya ma baby a wutie ni baby a wo hwe. Otuma nkpadi na Yankopon. Wa wo ya ngomadwuma ani sankyerene. Udin ni Yehowa. Udin ni Jesus. Enonyam ni asidam ni edema udin. Wasa empempensuwe. The vampire the etiefo ni ahwefo ba wunyame anim. Wasem otumi ahodi wo trosam se anu anam esen granting nefanu. Osuma na kosa yare. Ebi etiefo ni ahwefo obi a. Ye wo ho senkyerene. Ye na bomoku. No do say abrabona bawiye. So many that was about Samaria. Now with 2 minutes no asam suwa. Na ye bon paye. E bi den Yankopon. And now obey. Now because why? Yesu Kristo di Erade ye wo ho senkyerene. So to be a chobi ho hia. So to be aka obi ahyem. Ta ho di bi a so chai obi. E you obi so to me a. Over Jesus with him. Over Jesus with him. Over Jesus with him. I ran into the one side. Go to me. Yeah, Juma. I want some of some of and yet not to it. Yes, I don't want you know. Another swear for the bomb. I was walking with you. I'll smile about smile about smile about. The ye preference appears, but you do that for China. Mamu, or Tapu China will be in Brazil. But what about the chance will be better? Yes, but what about the chance will be no answer? And when the end about those who bomb higher, you want 1 century, you want 1 century, you want 1 century. My century was some yeti. Eradi masenjeni ni wasamiachi. Masenjeni ni wasamiachi. Ye otawa. Obisa no se go babra bon pa he. Ye janum Yankopon. Onse sada, na onse saso da. Ye janum somo ya tu be somo ya maso be somo. Ebisa wo yo nyam ya wo yie. Mo da ye oda. Ye bon pa ye be wiase. Ye ho Yankopon wo na onim ko ye be faso ya ne be pri wiase. Tell you young Juma was Samaria. Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Oh, Yahweh! Quite in a friend, but come for us. Be a crime was on the subway. Be a crime of you. Be a crime of who you. Himself, so I have been done to the aircraft. Or see, I hear you know. Well, what are you going to be? What did you soon continue? Trust them to put them soft one. A yea, and a pay, and you bring me your vampire. As a damn mouth. Running and century. And the persons I wouldn't want about boy. To cheer Ramanes. Oh, Sarah Ratty. Oh, Abuayana, Pacheche, when you were Sarah, Wona Wabami, Babo, when you did also get it as well. We are 1 century, the quite powerful fast we are. So you yame, The situation in the mouth. Some Bromuni Adam. Yeah, was entering. I thought we was when you want to watch it. Ma woman, you are who
when you were
Ma woman, you are who Jesus Christ, you know, they are born pie. And when you count it, Jesus did. Amen.